The world of food is changing. A quiet revolution simmers, one fueled by plants. This isn't about deprivation. Veganism bursts with flavor, color, and texture. It's a journey of discovery, a chance to redefine our relationship with food. Forget pale imitations of meat. This is about embracing the vibrant world of fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. We're rediscovering ancient grains like quinoa and freekeh, packed with nutrition. Lentils, beans, and chickpeas offer protein and fiber, staples of a healthy diet. Vibrant vegetables from leafy greens to colorful peppers fill our plates with vitamins and antioxidants. Nuts and seeds provide healthy fats, essential for a balanced diet. This is about more than just ingredients. It's about creativity. Vegan cuisine bursts with flavor. Chefs and home cooks alike are pushing boundaries, crafting innovative dishes that tantalize the palate. From creamy cashew cheeses to hearty lentil stews, the possibilities are endless. Veganism isn't about limitations, it's about expanding our culinary horizons. The vegan movement is growing, and for good reason. It's a way of eating that aligns with our values, promotes health, and protects our planet. It's a choice that empowers us to make a difference, one delicious bite at a time. A plant-based diet offers a wealth of health benefits. Studies show vegans tend to have lower cholesterol and blood pressure. They're less likely to develop heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. These benefits stem from the abundance of nutrients found in plant-based foods. Fruits and vegetables are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients protect our cells from damage, boost our immune system, and promote overall well-being. Whole grains provide fiber essential for digestive health. Fiber also helps regulate blood sugar levels, keeping us feeling full and energized. Plant-based protein sources are equally valuable. Legumes, tofu, tempeh, and seitan offer a complete protein profile, providing all the essential amino acids our bodies need. Nuts and seeds, rich in healthy fats, also contribute to a balanced diet. These fats are crucial for hormone production, brain function, and overall health. A vegan diet, rich in whole plant foods, provides all the nutrients we need to thrive. It's a way of eating that supports our bodies from the inside out, promoting long-term health and vitality. The environmental impact of our food choices is undeniable. Animal agriculture is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution. Shifting towards a plant-based diet can significantly reduce our environmental footprint. Meat production requires vast amounts of land, water, and energy. Raising livestock generates significant methane emissions, a potent greenhouse gas. Deforestation for grazing land further exacerbates climate change. Plant-based agriculture, on the other hand, is far more sustainable. Growing fruits, vegetables, and grains requires less land, water, and energy. Plant-based agriculture produces fewer greenhouse gas emissions. By choosing plant-based foods, we can help conserve precious resources and mitigate climate change. Our food choices have a direct impact on the health of our planet. Embracing a vegan lifestyle is a powerful way to reduce our environmental footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. Section 4. Compassion on the menu. Veganism extends beyond personal health and environmental concerns. It encompasses a deep respect for all living beings. Factory farming practices inflict immense suffering on animals. Choosing a vegan lifestyle aligns with our values of compassion and non-violence. Animals raised for food are often confined to cramped, unsanitary conditions. They are subjected to painful procedures, such as debeaking and tail docking. Factory farming prioritizes profit over animal welfare, treating sentient beings as mere commodities. Veganism rejects animal exploitation. It recognizes the inherent worth of all creatures. By choosing plant-based foods, we can align our actions with our values, promoting a more compassionate and just world. Every meal becomes an opportunity to extend our circle of compassion. Veganism is a way of living that honors the interconnectedness of all life, fostering a more humane and ethical relationship with the animal kingdom. Section 5. Taking the first bite. The world of veganism is vast and inviting. It's a journey of exploration, a chance to discover new flavors, textures, and culinary possibilities. Don't be afraid to experiment. Start by incorporating more plant-based meals into your weekly routine. Try a new vegan recipe. Visit a vegan restaurant. There's a wealth of information available online and in cookbooks. Vegan communities offer support, recipes, and inspiration. Many restaurants now feature delicious vegan options. Supermarkets are stocked with plant-based alternatives, making it easier than ever to explore a vegan lifestyle. I remember my first bite of a truly delicious vegan burger. It was juicy, flavorful, and satisfying. It opened my eyes to the possibilities of plant-based cuisine. It challenged my assumptions about what a meal could be. Take the first bite. You might be surprised by what you discover. The world of veganism awaits, full of flavor, health, and compassion. It's a journey worth taking, one delicious step at a time.